so beautiful, isn't it? It's so beautiful, ain't it? Y'all can see the city over there. I think that's Brooklyn. I might be mistaken. But right now we're in the middle of Central Park. Let's take a ride. New York, I mean, it's been amazing. Almost enough to make me think I want to move here. But all the nature y'all seeing, that's all it is, man. If you go into New York City, Manhattan, lower east, middle, upper, it ain't nothing but city. I promise you, you ain't gonna find no grocery stores. You're not gonna find no Walmart. You're not gonna find nothing with a parking lot. It's straight city. I promise you. People walking around. So what you gotta do is park, hope that you get a parking spot, or you gotta park in a $40 garage, and then you gotta walk everywhere you go. So not ideal, but that's my only beef with New York right now. So y'all can see. Look at the city. New York is beautiful. Let's keep it moving, man. We got a lot of park to see. Right now it's cold, it's 44 degrees. I definitely underpacked for New York. I was monitoring the weather. They said it would be 40 degrees, rainy, both days that I'll be here. And it has been. And it's been 40 degrees. But before I came all week, it's been 80 degrees, 70 degrees. I'm here at the end of April. And it's like, dang, what's going on? My hands frostbitten and everything. I actually don't know where I'm going. Arthur Ross. Let's continue our ride, man. I was just trying to figure out where to go next. But it looks like we're in the playground now. I see some two big white dogs coming towards us. So far, Central Park is beautiful. Got some views. Got some views from the 6. If I knew my buildings, I would call them out. I just don't know them. But you can see like a skyline up there. I don't know where that's at, but we're gonna keep it moving. They got park swings. They got the workers already working. If you can see, getting the setups, the hot dog stands, the everything stands, the waters. They're setting up the bathrooms. Yeah, it's a vibe so far. Not bad for an actual park. Let's get on the sidewalk. All right, where will these roads lead? We're about to find out. Where do these roads lead? So, I just think the roads are too narrow. There's nowhere to park. When you come to New York City, expect city. You're gonna get straight city. I promise you, man. You're gonna get straight city. Let's see if we can get some more skyline. But yeah, 9 out of 10 we'll recommend. It's real beautiful here to visit. I don't know what it's like to live here. I know the cost of living is sky high, but we're not gonna get into that. Up there? Yes. But look how good it looks though. The city is definitely, it'll make you want to move here, I promise you that. But don't make the moves. Stay where you at. if you build your money up. That's your best bet. Just save your money up. Don't rush. You probably need about like $500 if you want to come visit. And that's if you stay in like a hostel or something. You're probably gonna need like 800, so you could spend at least 3 days. Hotel probably gonna get you $100 a day. I found a hostel $50 a day. So if you go with a hotel and probably the cheapest, $100 a day, you're gonna get bare minimum hotel. So let's say that's $300 out your budget. Then you got what we said, 800. You got 100 on gas just to be safe for 3 days. Now we got 400 left. And now you got 100 on food, maybe 150 on food for 3 days. It's getting cold. It's cold out here now, y'all. It's real cold out here. I don't think, oh, what's this? If this the zoo, we gonna make this the end point, cause my hands is through. I can get back to my bed and go lay down. But I promise you, just get ready to walk everywhere. I promise you. Just walking alone makes you feel a part of this city, like you live here. And of course I don't live here, but it feels like I live here, the way I blend in and I walk everywhere I go. Something you ain't used to, you gotta get used to it. That might be the Empire State Building. I'm not sure. Great views though. I think this is all I'm gonna do for Central Park. We got 22, went from 30 to 22 battery. Ooh, hands frostbitten. Let's see what we can see up here. We're trying to get some more skyline for y'all. We got another pond. So what I found out during my YouTube research is that this whole thing is man-made. So everything you see is built in, I think it was built in 1903, somewhere around there. I think, yeah, that's what I was gonna say is, this is all the nature you're gonna see. You go to the city, ain't no grass nowhere. If you're lucky, you're gonna be able to see trees, but man-made planted trees. But yeah, so that's something I didn't expect. When you come to the city, it's gonna be straight city and sidewalk, no grass nowhere. So Central Park is all the nature you're gonna see. So you better yeah, take it in, cause this is all the grass you're gonna be able to touch if you live in New York City. That's it. Let's go. I don't want to walk too far away from the car. Like I said, my hands are cold. We're gonna pay homage to the Central Park 5. The 5 kids who was falsely accused for rape and murder of a white woman. Excuse my language. Let's see if we can get this turned around. I could talk around this. The Central Park 5 were 5 young boys who were accused of things that they didn't do. They were accused of things they didn't do, and they spent 30 to 40, 50 years of jail time in prison from the time they were 14 and 15 The cops tricked them into pleading guilty because all they wanted to do was just go home. And there was young boys, there was young kids. And so yeah, we're gonna pay homage to them. Uh yeah, they got out in like 2021, I think, or maybe 2018 if I can remember. And their story came out on Netflix. I recommend you watch it. I forgot what it was called. Maybe Central Park 5, but if y'all look that up, that'll come up on Netflix. I recommend you watch it, but when you watch it, you're gonna feel like it's only a one-time watch, man, because it's so sad what them boys have to go through, especially for being falsely accused. Yeah, so yeah, we pay our respects and homages to them. But as for right now, that's Central Park, and I'm gonna say like, comment, subscribe. Ain't nobody bringing it to you like I'm bringing it to you. Look at this. Who else is doing it? From drone point of view. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out.